This video will cover moderate level questions regarding the topic of exponential equations. This is the first one. 81x to the power of minus 1 over 3 equals 1 over 3 cubed. 81x to the power of minus 1 over 3 equals 3 to the power of minus 3. Make the power of minus 3 on each side. 81x equals 3 to the power of 9. Then 81 is 3 to the power of 4. X equals 3 to the power of 9. Then divide by 3 to the power of 4 on each side. X equals 3 to the power of 9 minus 4. X equals 3 to the power of 5. Therefore, x equals 243. Number 2, the right side number is in fraction form. Multiply by 1 over 10 on each side instead of dividing by 10. A to the power of minus x equals 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 1 over 4 to the power of 2x minus 1 times 1 over 2. We can rewrite as base 2, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of minus x equals 1 over 2 squared to the power of 2x minus 1 times 1 over 2. 2 to the power of minus 3x equals 1 over 2 to the power of 4x minus 2 times 1 over 2. 2 to the power of minus 3x equals 1 over 2 to the power of 4x minus 2 plus 1. 2 to the power of minus 3x equals 1 over 2 to the power of 4x minus 1. 2 to the power of minus 3x equals 1 over means to the power of minus 1. So 2 to the power of 4x minus 1. 2 to the power of minus 3x equals 2 to the power of minus 4x plus 1. Therefore, minus 3x equals minus 4x plus 1. Then finally, x equals 1. Number 3, we can rewrite as base 3. 3 squared to the power of x minus 10 times 3 to the power of x plus 9 equals 0. Then change the order. Minus 10 times 3 to the power of x plus 9 equals 0. Use substitution. Let 3 to the power of x be a. Then a squared minus 10a plus 9 equals 0. A minus 1 times a minus 9 equals 0. Then back to the original. A was 3 to the power of x minus 1, 3 to the power of x minus 9 equals 0. So 3 to the power of x equals 1 or 3 to the power of x equals 9. So 3 to the power of x equals 1 means 3 to the power of 0. So x equals 0. Or 3 to the power of x equals 3 squared. Then x equals 2. Number 4, we can rewrite as base 2. 2 to the power of minus absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 1 over 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of minus absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 2 to the power of minus 5. Since the bases are the same, the exponents are also the same. So minus absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals minus 5. Then absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals 5. So 2x minus 1 equals 5 or 2x minus 1 equals minus 5. So 2x equals 6. Then x equals 3. Or 2x equals minus 4. Then x equals minus 2. Then we have to check if x equals 3, Then back to the original, 2 to the power of minus 2 times x, which is 2 times 3, 6 minus 1, which is 5, equals 1 over 32. 2 to the power of minus 5 equals 1 over 32. 1 over 2 to the power of 5 equals 1 over 32, correct? And number 2, if x equals minus 2, 2 to the power of minus, when x equals minus 2, then 2 times minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 5, equals 1 over 32. 2 to the power of minus 5 equals 1 over 32. So 1 over 2 to the power of 5 equals 1 over 32. Correct. Therefore, x equals 3 and minus 2. Number 5. Let this equation be number 1 and number 2. In number 1, 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of y plus 1 equals 17. 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of y times 3 equals 17. Use the substitution. Let 2 to the power of x be a, 3 to the power of y be b. So a plus 3b equals 17. Number 2 part, 2 to the power of x plus 3 minus 3 to the power of y equals 61. 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of y equals 61. So this is 8. Then large A minus b equals 61. Now we have two equations. A plus 3b equals 17. Then 8a minus b equals 61. Let this be number 3 and 4. Keep the equation number 3. A plus 3b equals 17. Then number 4 times 3 equals 24a minus 3b equals 183. Then add them together. 25a cancelled equals 200. So a equals 8. Put a equals 8 into number 3. Then 8 plus 3b equals 17. 3b equals 9. Then b equals 3. Then back to here. 2 to the power of x equals a, which means 8. So 2 to the power of x equals 2 cubed. Therefore, x equals 3. Then 3 to the power of y equals b, which is 3. So 3 to the power of y equals 3 to the power of 1. So y equals 1. Number 6. Since the bases are the same, the exponents must also be the same. So x squared plus 2x equals 3x plus 6. Then x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus x minus 6 equals 0. Then we can factor x minus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. Then x equals 3 and minus 2. X equals minus 2 is an extraneous root because x is greater than 1. But if the base is 1, the answer is the same, even if the exponent is different. So x minus 1 equals 1, therefore x equals 2. With these two, final answer is x equals 3 and 2. This is the last question. Since the exponents are the same, the bases are also the same. So first, 2x minus 3 equals 3x minus 7. So minus x equals minus 4. Then x equals 4. But if the exponent is 0, the answer is the same, even if the bases are different. Second way is x minus 5 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 5. So with these two, final answer is x equals 4 and 5. I hope this video has been helpful. The previous lesson is linked in the description bar below. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.